Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Your 7-bedroom, 7-bathroom dream home awaits you in the picturesque community of Mount Nelson, Mandeville. The property gently slopes upward with a magnificent stone wall encircling the perimeter. The yard features concrete pavers, well-manicured lawn, fruit trees, and gardens along with a swimming pool to the rear of the property. The first floor comprises of the kitchen, dining room, living room, laundry room, powder room, bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, and 4-car garage. The second floor comprises of the master bedroom with a raised platform, ensuite bathroom, and walk-in closet, plus 4 other bedrooms, all with immaculately kept hardwood floors, a study, TV room, and front patio. Outside, you can relax by the pool and entertainment area as you overlook the surrounding areas. The total land area of this house is 25,325 square feet or 0.58 acres of land. Other features of this home include ceramic tile, wood and marble floors, garden area, water tank, ceiling fans, grilled, swimming pool, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, fully walled, easy access, family oriented, quiet area and landscaped. The current price of this house is Jamaican 130 million or US $831,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.